this one, you can see, is quite different. You see the color, really, really is very attractive, this color. Very charming, fantastic. You see? Also the flower, the color change gradually, you know. So you can see the color change. It looks more natural, more value. So, okay, also this one, we have a very favorable price for this one. Okay. Now, okay, have a look. Now, remember, this is 36. 36. 35?
Yeah, 35.
Okay, 35. Sorry. Okay, 35 for this one. Give me a screenshot. Ready?
If
Go.
you are interested in, you can write the number and leave message to us. Then we can give you a photo quotation. When you write it, you must write the number 2 because this is our second show. So you must write the number 2 and also this number.
Okay, let's go to the cherry blossom. Cherry blossom.
36.
Okay, 36 now. 36. Cherry blossom. You see this stem, okay? Okay, I think it's a good structure, very good structure design, the stem. You know, also the stem was covered with some finishing painting. See.
Also the leaves is real
Yeah,
touch.
leaves. Yeah.
This small leaves.
Not a fabric one.
Yeah, this is PEVA, I think. Real touch.
This is also
3D
3D printing, even the small leaves, 3D printing.
Details.
Yes, not so shiny, but looks very natural. Okay, we have 3 colors available here. Yes, white, pink, hot pink. Yes.
Yeah.
So we can go to another one. We have a different cherry blossom. I can show you this one. Okay, a big one.
37. The number.
Okay, 37 for the big one. 37 for the big one. Oh, it's very big, really. It's a rich flower. Okay, 128 cm for the stem. So we have 3 colors. 3 colors. 128 cm in 3 colors. I think this color very soft. Okay, let's have a near look at this.
Yeah.
The color. 37.
Also the
This
branch.
one sells very good. Very good. Yeah, we sells a lot. Okay. This one, but this one, the leaves is in fabric. But big, you see, very big.
The stem also make the color. See, I think a little real touch a little
not a real
coating.
touch, just
Just
not
spray
coating.
it?
Yeah, just some color to
Some-
cover the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a special recommendation. Special. Okay. So this is 37. Screenshot, please. Okay. Yes. Good. Now let's move to the next one. Next one. Okay. Still. Okay. Still the. Okay. Still the cherry blossom. Okay. This is a big one. A big one. In different color. White. Okay. We put here 38. Now 38. 38 now. So this one in 4 color. Okay. A big branch. A big branch. Okay. They okay, the stem is 106 cm long. Okay. 106 cm. A big one. Yeah. And the material for this one, material is natural touch. Natural touch here. Yes. You see? Natural touch. And with many petals in each flower, many petals. Yes, we have 3 sizes. Okay. And we have 3 sizes. Okay. Yes. One moment.
This is real touch?
Yes, real touch.
Yeah. Oh, real touch. High quality.
Yes, because each flower, yes, we have different. Yes. Oh, we have 4 sizes actually.
Yeah. And also this size.
Okay, we will have 4 sizes for this one. So we give 4 numbers. 4 numbers. Okay, let me check. Big one, medium size, and small
And
one.
43, 45. Different.
I think is.
Just see the number. It's easy to see it.
So we have 4 sizes. No, I think we should have 4 sizes.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3.
No. This is.
What is the item number?
Okay, maybe we can make. Don't make confused. Put away this too. Okay. Okay, 3 size. Let's make 3 size. 3 size. Have a look. 3 different size. Okay.
Number 14.
Okay, number 14 for the small size. Okay.
This is the real touch.
Yeah, real touch. Yeah.
The petal, each petal with the real touch, and you can maybe you can see the details when you touch it very strong. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so 3 size in 38, 39, and 40. Okay, remember three number if you need. Okay.
Okay.
So
So,
let's move on to the next one.
你给我就好了，你就
Okay.
找下面的。
Okay, so okay. Okay, now I would like to recommend the Pussy Wheeler. Now, yes, we will go to a new number 41. Okay, 41. We have, okay.
This is
Big
also
size.
the popular accessory, right?
Accessory.
Accessory, yeah. When you make the arrangement.
Okay, the big one. Big one. Okay, let's talk about the big one. 41 in 130 cm. 130 cm. This one. The stand with coating. It is very good for flower arrangement. For flower arrangement. Pussy Wheeler. Pussy Wheeler. Yeah. Okay, we sell a lot for this one. And also we have a small size, a small, medium size. Okay, medium size is in 42. 42, I think we make this one.
Okay.
This one. 42. This one is 109 cm. 109 cm.
This is also with
The
good
single
price.
one.
Really
Single
good
one.
price.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, this is 42. Single one. And then 43. Small one in 3 branch. Okay, this one. Okay, the price is very similar to this one. Very similar, but this is small. You see, just compare. This is 43 by 3 stem.
This
Okay.
is very popular. I think you can try it. Really, this is good for arrangement.
So anyway, now I would like to know what you want. If you want a special collection, just tell us. Don't worry, we have a wide range of products. Yes, we have a lot of varieties. So leave your message if you need something special. Okay. So now let's go to the next one.
Take this one.
Okay, this one. Okay. Do you know this flower? Yes, pansy, pansy. Yes, okay. This is should be 44. 44. Yeah. Pansy. You see the color. 3D printing. I think this is the now the best technique of a flower. 3D printing.
Even the leaves, very, very soft. Real. When you touch it, it's
Yes.
real. It's real.
Yes,
See?
not it will not make sound You know, if you touch something special, usually it will make some sound because the printing, the material not so good. But this one, very soft, like natural, really. So pansy, this flower, pansy. Pansy, okay, we also, okay, this one, pansy with 2 spray in 3 color. Actually, we have another color. Yeah, but this is just for color. This is a short stem, short stem. So we have 4 color here. 4 color. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 color. This is the longer stem. Now we are measuring for this one, 44 for the long stem.
45.
Now, okay, the short one, 45 for the short one. The short one. Okay, 45, pansy, pansy.
Yeah. Have the 4 color so far.
Yeah, same, 4 color. This is 4 color.
Yeah. Also, you can see this bud makes so details. Wrapped, and also the bud, you can see. This also very good. Even the shape of the leaves, you can see. Yeah, even the stem, we also make the color. Which also you can feel is very, very good. So this good quality and good price. You can try. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
we'll
next
go
one.
Next one.
Next one.
46.
Okay, now this is a special item.
Yeah, this year also is good. I think in the
Yes.
Italy, you can see many this flower.
Yes, it's popular. I think a lot of place we can see this flower with flocky fruits, flocky. You see. Okay. With 3 color. This is also very special.
Yeah, this yellow color is the natural. The natural one
Yes.
always
Yes,
yellow color.
This one, this color is much more popular.
Yeah.
Because it looks natural. Okay, this is good. It's 46,
yeah,
right?
46. Yeah, already changed. Also, this we make the color, each details. Very good. See? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, 46. Give me a shot. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Go on next one.
Next one. Okay, go to next one. Okay, one orchid.
47.
This one kind of orchid. I think you seldom see in the market. This one. We call it Singapore orchid. I think maybe this flower is originally from Singapore. We have a very good price for this one.
Yeah, this is promotional one. I think this is good price, promotional one. And the material is a polyester fabric. And this we make a little coating. I feel it's very good.
Yes,
The stem.
with some dots.
Yeah.
Yes, the stem.
Also, this is good choice. You can try.
Yeah, this good price, good price. This one.